School isn't my thing. I'm a pro Fortnite player. I placed 409th in the Trio Cash Cup last night. Free PR, Pog. When I have more earnings than your yearly salary. Who asked? Got him, chat. Pog.
Talking about Fortnite's the best game. You probably just have no earnings. Dog water shitter. I don't show my hair to shitters with no placements who talk badly about Fortnite. Anyways, I'm gonna leave and go somewhere else. Did you just talk smack? I'll have you know, I placed top 2% in the 1% Fortnite Cup. I bet you didn't do that. I bet you placed top 5%. I would say bye, but I don't say bye to shitters.